Okay, so we have Charlie here today.
He has some back injuries. His spine is really curved, but he loves to run. In the last 3 months, his mobility is really down.
Very weak in the back legs.
Very weak in the back legs.
Got it. Ooh, you hear the little crack? Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. Got it. How's that?
He's like, no treat can stop me now.
There, got it. And let's check your little shoulder. Little shoulder. Ooh. Okay, good. Right. And there's a shake.
He's a head shaker.
So that's a good head shake.